What do you do when you have some hours left and want to do more sightseeing? You check Google Maps for interesting places close by, right? Well, Dunguaire Castle, and I'm totally not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. I looked it up, but I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. Anyway, this castle wasn't far, and so we decided to have a closer look. Continue watching to see more of this castle and the interesting craft studio there. So to reach this castle, it's best to use this car park, which doesn't cost anything, at least now it doesn't. And then you walk up to the castle. And well, I truly did not expect the doors to be open, as Google Maps told me that the castle would only open the next day. However, when I got there and carefully pushed against the door, it almost magically opened. So, of course I went inside and first checked out the store and the craft studio upstairs, where I could watch how they make hand-fired animals.
These are the enamel jewellery, so copper to begin and glass on top. Yeah, okay, so after that, this is the glass then. You can do the colours, so the glass goes on top. This is glass also. The glass goes on top. And then we blow torch them underneath, and then I'll make the design while it's melted, so you can video this, of course.
Oh, cool.
Fire. Video will show not
cool.
much colour now, but as it gets cooler, the colours will return. So the design sets, it's done, and then
That's quick.
in a moment we'll see the designs coming back. A lot of the colours will be different. And there we go.
Ah, cool. That is cool. Thank you so much. After that, I did venture inside and first had a look at the ground floor. Back then, the area was used to store produce, with the thick walls keeping a constant temperature. Once I climbed up the stairs, which by the way were made uneven on purpose so that an ascending attacker could trip easily if he didn't watch carefully, I reached the first floor with the banquet hall. You can actually also book a medieval banquet here, so if you're interested, check out the official homepage and book this amazing experience. I'll leave a link in the description below. One floor higher, there was another room filled with older furniture, and from here you can already see the top. The upper part is filled with more modern furniture, and it seems to be used as some sort of studio. From here you can then reach the outside, but well, The view is stunning, that much is true, but the path around the tower is so narrow that I actually didn't walk all around it. I only squeezed myself through one area and then headed back inside. Dunguaire Castle is called a castle, but actually it is a tower house which was built in 1520. If you want to visit it as well, the castle opens at 10 AM and the last admission is at 4:30 PM. Online tickets cost €750 for an adult and you can explore it freely on your own. What about you? Do you enjoy visiting old castles? And if yes, which one's your favorite? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more travel videos. Thanks for watching.